Welcome to Christ College, Ribhoi. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight.
Ka-Office u District Sports East Khasi Hills Kalapunwa ya Kalumpong Inter-School Athletics Meet Arajar Arpusan ha ka pratarik ujemang Hamadan Sports Authority of India Sai Training Center Shillong. Ki kena school bekinohikai Jingbynnud haba kini Kalumpong kalakutno namar kidang sliang ban lekmen bat ban penpau ya lagi jong kisap kipong. Hakini kesngi penwai u Additional Deputy Commissioner ke East Khasi Hills uba Ronison wa alang MCS ulalong ukongsan. Ya ka jingalang penwai la penya de ba o mau tho DSO ha ka jingadon lang ki kena school kinohikai bat bun ba kinong pitkai ni kijaka ba marjan. Iki nam la do la pia la ki jong ki kerdan ha ka kerdan under 14 jong ki kenthai la ra da ka St Mary's High Secondary School Shillong bat ke H. Elias Memorial High Secondary School ha ka liang jong ki shenrang. Haka under 16 larat dekat St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong, haka liang ki Shenrang, Kagaru Union Secondary School, haka liang ki Kenthai. Haba pai shaka under 18 larat dekat St. Mary's High Secondary School Shillong, haka liang ki Kenthai, baka St. Anthony's High Secondary School Shillong, haka liang ki Shenrang. Yaka nam best athlete haka under 14 layo dekat Dana Kira Lingdo na St. Mary's High Secondary School Shillong but 1 perkhat lamari na ke HLIS Memorial High Secondary School. Haka under 16 layo dekat Rukini Dekar na ke OM Roy Memorial High Secondary School but Usaidul Ali na ke St. Saviour's School Polo Shillong. Haka under 18 layo dekat Pringchi Armarak na ke St. Saviour's School Polo Shillong but U Henry Yoga E Sangma na ke Garu Union Secondary School.
Ya dah din.
I hereby declare the Inter-School Athletics Meet of East Khasi Hills District for the year 2025 is closed. Thank you.